Welcome to Scott Patric Beauty. Today on Scott Patric Beauty, we've got a special guest star, my friend Joy Corrigan.
Hi, how are you guys?
We're going to do a beautiful, beautiful fall face, glowing and wonderful, and a burnished lip.
Yes, I can't wait.
I can't wait. So, I love brushing it up, seeing what we got, seeing what nature gave us, and it is beautiful, but we want a really fluffy brow tonight because fluffy brows look like we looked when we were 15.
Yes.
And there weren't any makeup artists that plucked out any brows on us.
I try not to touch my eyebrows. I like the full brow look. And he's gonna make it even more full.
We want to look like Brooke Shields.
I wanna look like Joy.
I want to look like Joy too. You know, it's gorgeous. We all want to look like Joy.
Hey.
So the color brow that I'm using is from MAC. It's called Fling. It's fabulous. And I love the handy dandy brush on the end to brush up. And the color is just basically like right there, right in there. So, I mean, it's Joy's natural color, but it's kind of the supernatural color.
Yes. Supernatural.
And then I set the pencil brow with a little bit of Christian Dior Camel Color Powder. Gorgeous. Let me see, dear. So one of the amazing things that this EYESHADOW does is you can dampen your brush and then it goes on more painterly. So I use the brown pencil and now I'm going to use that charcoal brown right in the center and just go over. And that's going to make my pencil stay. And I can kind of lift that crayon a little bit. Beautiful. The gold bronze with blue just makes that blue just pop. Open. Take that pencil and I just drag it down and out a little bit, and Joy just looks on fire. Beautiful. Just where the forehead gets a little bit high, I always fill it in with a little bit of this. Sometimes I love a little bit of your foundation. After you do the contour and after you do the darker, I take that lighter foundation color and I double down right underneath. And that way it really pops the gorgeousness. Beautiful.
I love this
it's
color.
Matte. It's wonderful for fall.
NARS has a great lip color.
You are spectacular.
You are.
You are!
No, you are. Scotty's
Joy,
the best.
You're the best.
He's making me beautiful for tonight's events, and I couldn't do this on my own. It's crazy. You're so talented. Also, his energy is impeccable.
Aww.
So I wish I could just bottle it up, your energy, and just take it with me everywhere.
You know what? I wish that you could somehow fit me in the closet.
Oh, hey. Have you seen my closet? I think you might not fit with all the shoes and bags, but
Let's finish this.
Finishing touch,
Finishing
Joy, that Dolce Vita lip on you is to die for, and we are going to use a little bit of Dior Nude. Gorgeous.
ooh.
And we're warming up those loving cheeks. And I love your look. Just beautiful.
I also love it. Wow, so good. Scott, I love it. Thank you so much. He is the best.
Thanks for watching Scott Patric Beauty with my good friend Joy Corrigan, who is going to go out and rock New York City Fashion Week.
Hell yeah, thanks for watching our little tutorial, and I hope that you guys learned something. Also, I just learned so much. It's crazy. As he was telling me what he's doing, now I'm going to try to copy it, and I'm sure it's not going to look anything alike.
No, well, you know what? You can FaceTime me, and
Okay.
being that I sleep with my phone in my hand.
Okay, perfect. I do too, actually. So, so then I can look up like this, maybe?
It is a gorgeous look. It is the gorgeous
You're
NARS
gorgeous.
Dolce Vita. I'm gorgeous because I reflect Joy's light.
Oh,
and
no.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Love you.
Love you.
He's the best.